Hi everyone, Tony DeBonis here with Starline Windows. Today I'd like to show you how to properly remove these window stickers that are on your sealed units. And the reason why I bring this up is because we often get asked, how do you remove that residue that's left behind the sticker after you remove it? And what is the best way to get this off your glass without scratching your glass? So I'd like to demonstrate how to do it, so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need basically is a nice clean cloth. You're going to need some Windex or typical glass cleaner, and you want to get an industrial razor blade like this if you have them. It helps to scrape the glass off because they've got a really nice fine sharp edge. And if you don't have an industrial razor blade, all you gotta do is go into the tool shed, Tim the tool man that's got a whole bunch of tools in his toolbox, grab his Olfa carpenter's knife and just basically unscrew this, take it apart, and borrow his nice X-Acto blade for a few minutes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do with this label, because they are sticky, they're designed to stay on the window until inspection has been completed and stuff like that. So what I like to do is spray it with your Windex and let it soak into the label. And it doesn't take too long. And I'll demonstrate with the actual Olfa carpenter's knife. Now you never want to use a scraper or putty knife because you could have a rough edge on it and it could cause scratching of the glass. So you let that soak in a bit, and that's going to eat away the residue, the glue that's on that sticker. And then you can just basically, as you can see, this carves it out really nice. So while you're pulling it, then you basically you're kind of scoring that back side, and you can remove that sticker basically all in one piece, even if it's stubborn and it's been on there for a long time. If it was baked on by the sun. So now you've got some residue left there. We just removed the label, as you can see. Now I'll spray that one more time and let that glass cleaner eat away at that adhesive. And I'm gonna grab the scraper one more time. I'm just gonna clean the edge off. Be careful not to cut yourself. Nice and clean. And then just slowly scrape in a downward position and avoiding scratching your vinyl or aluminum frame. Clean the edge off again. Just like if you're baking and you're gonna clean your scraper. And give that a wipe just to make sure I got the residue off. It looks pretty good to me. Oh, I see a little bit there in the corner. Give that a little squirt. Grab your scraper and scrape it downwards. That's done. And I think we have it. A little bit of elbow grease until it squeaks. Once it squeaks, that means it's squeaky clean. So, hope that helps. That's how you successfully remove your stickers from your windows and your glass. And for any more frequently asked questions, how-to videos, check us out on our website, our YouTube channel, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook. Like our videos, share our videos, and we look forward to hearing from you. And I hope this was a big help to you today.